Welcome to Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If you haven't subscribed yet, or this is your first time watching one of our videos, welcome. Please click right now on the subscribe icon and activate the ring so you never miss our future video uploads. You can also connect with us on our social media platforms. We are on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Just type Lingala Academy. Lingala Academy. You can also add us on Snapchat by typing DELOVEGRATIAS. 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 Make sure you ring the bell and your page looks like this so you don't miss out and you get the notifications whenever we put a new video. If you want to support the channel and the work that we're doing, you can do so by going on our YouTube channel portal and click where it says donate right here to support the channel. That will take you to our PayPal account. Then you will be asked to select the amount of money and the method that you want to use to donate. Your support really means a lot to us and will give us more time to bring you more quality lessons. And I thank you so much for your help. Welcome back to our channel. We apologize. We're very sorry for not being able to bring you new videos for almost 2 months. Actually, many things happened to me. I lost my grandma who actually appeared in the video called Family Names in Lingala or Libota. She passed away, and I also was very busy with school stuff, um, work, and life, so I couldn't bring you uh, new videos during that time. So now we're back, and I promise that we will bring you more videos and the new vocabularies, and we will have fun. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you names of colors in Lingala. At the end of this video, you will be able to distinguish names of different colors in Lingala and be able to use them in a sentence. I hope that you guys have accepted my apologies. Okay, let's get started. In Lingala, color is called langi. Langi, that's singular. Colors are called balangi. Balangi. Balangi is plural. Note that to call any light color in Lingala, you just need to say langi, which means color, followed by the preposition ya, which means of, plus the adverb pete. Pete means light, plus another preposition ya, which means, like I said, of, followed by its primary color's name. Here's the formula. Langi means color plus preposition ya plus adverb pete plus another preposition ya, which means of, plus its primary color's name. Example, green in Lingala is langi ya mai ya pondu. Langi ya mai ya pondu. Light green, here the formula applies. Light greens will be langi ya pete ya color's name. This is the color's name. Green, mai ya pondu. Okay. Light green will be langi ya pete ya mai ya pondu. So you just follow this formula for any light green or any light color, sorry. Any light color will follow this formula here. I just gave you an example for green. Mwindo, mwindo or moyindo, they're the same thing. Mwindo or moyindo means black color. That's singular. Bayindo, bayindo means blacks. This is plural. Ndakisa, ndakisa is example. Ndakisa means example in Lingala. Example, nalati polo ya mwindo or nalati polo ya moyindo. That's in Lingala. In English, we translate this by I'm wearing a black t-shirt. Note that moyindo or mwindo is invariable when used in singular and plural to mean black color. So it doesn't change. But it changes in plural, bayindo, when you use it to mean black people. Only when you use it to refer to black people that you can use bayindo. But if you want to use it to refer to color, it doesn't change. Pembe, pembe means white. Pembe means white. Examples. Here's a question. Sakosi nayo ezali ya langi nini? Sakosi means bag. Sakosi nayo ezali ya langi nini? We translate this by, what color is your bag? Sakosi nayo ezali ya langi nini? What color is your bag? Eyano or answer. Sakosi na ngai ezali ya langi ya pembe. Sakosi na ngai ezali ya langi ya pembe. In Lingala. In English is, my bag is white color. My bag is white color. Remember, pembe is invariable in plural. However, white man means mundele ya mobali. White woman means mundele ya mwasi. Mwasi means woman. White man means mindele ya mibali. And white women means mindele ya basi or bamindele ya basi. Langi ya mbwe. Langi ya mbwe means gray color. Example: kazaka nayo ezali ya langi nini? Kazaka nayo ezali ya langi nini? This is kazaka. This sentence means, what color is your costume? The answer will be, kazaka nangai ezali ya langi ya mbwe. Kazaka nangai ezali ya langi ya mbwe. Kazaka nangai ezali ya langi ya mbwe. This means my costume is gray, or my costume is gray color. Langi ya khaki. Langi ya khaki means khaki color. Examples: nalingaka kolata elamba ya langi ya khaki neti ya mapinga. Nalingaka kolata elamba ya langi ya khaki neti ya mapinga. Nalingaka kolata elamba ya langi ya khaki neti ya mapinga. In English, I like wearing khaki military uniform. I like wearing khaki military uniform. Another example: sombela ngai sapatu ya langi ya khaki. Sombela ngai sapato ya langi ya khaki. Sombela ngai sapato ya langi ya khaki. Buy me gray shoes. Yellow. Yellow in Lingala is langi ya mosaka. Langi ya mosaka. Example: olingi nasomba pilipili ya langi ya mosaka, ya motane to ya langi ya mai ya pondu. Olingi nasomba pilipili ya langi ya mosaka, ya motane to ya langi ya mai ya pondu. Olingi nasomba pilipili ya langi ya mosaka, ya motane to ya langi ya mai ya pondu. Translation in English is, do you want me to buy yellow, red, or green pepper? Do you want me to buy yellow, red, or green pepper? Answer: nalingi osomba pilipili ya langi ya mosaka. Nalingi osomba pilipili ya langi ya mosaka. Nalingi osomba pilipili ya langi ya mosaka. I want you to buy yellow pepper. I want you to buy yellow pepper. Note that mosaka alone is a sauce made from the pounding, crushing, or grinding of palm nut using a mortar called liboka or eboka in Lingala, and a pestle called motute in Lingala. Just an illustration to what I just said. The spherical tool containing palm nut here, it's called mortar. In Lingala we call it eboka or liboka in singular. In plural we call it maboka. The long tool that this beautiful girl is holding is called a pestle. In Lingala we call it motute in singular and mitute in plural. Africans use these two tools here to grind, pound, and crunch things like pepper, that's in Lingala we call pilipili, cassava leaves, pondu, tomato, tomati, potato, mbala, boiled plantain, lituma, cassava root, bikedi, and so on. Note that yellow color in Lingala is called langi ya mai ya mosaka. The reason behind it is because of the yellow color of the palm nut juice. Okay, when you ground this, you will get a yellow juice. That's why they call it mai ya langi ya mosaka. Okay, langi ya malala. Langi ya malala means orange color. Ndakisa. Ndakisa means example. Nazali na motuka ya Ferrari ya langi ya malala. Nazali na motuka ya Ferrari ya langi ya malala. In English, I have an orange Ferrari car. Note that orange in Lingala is called langi ya malala because it's named after the color of orange fruit. Orange, the fruit, means lilala. Lilala in singular and malala in plural in Lingala. Langi ya bozinga. Langi ya bozinga or langi ya bule means blue color. Ndakisa, example. Nasombi maneti ya sika ya langi ya bule. Nasombi maneti ya sika ya langi ya bule. Or nasombi matalatala. Matalatala is another name for maneti. Matalatala means glasses. Nasombi matalatala ya sika ya langi ya bozinga. In English, I bought new blue glasses. I bought new blue glasses. Note that light blue in Lingala is called langi ya pete ya bule. You can also call it langi ya pete ya bozinga. Langi ya fololo rose. Langi ya fololo rose means pink color. Examples: bolingo na ngai, nasombeli yo kopo ya langi ya fololo rose, omelelaka na yango mai ya kafe to ya ti. Bolingo na ngai, nasombeli yo kopo ya langi ya fololo rose, omelelaka na yango mai ya kafe to ya ti. Bolingo na ngai, nasombeli yo kopo ya langi ya fololo rose, omelelaka na yango mai ya kafe to ya ti. Baby, oh my love, I bought you a cup or coffee mug to drink tea or coffee with. Baby, I bought you a cup or coffee mug to drink tea or coffee with. Note that pink color in Lingala is called Langi ya Fololo Rose because it's named after Fololo Rose or rose flower. Langi ya Longondo. Langi ya Longondo means purple color. Purple color means Langi ya Longondo. Motuna. Motuna means question. Mokaba na yo ezali langi nini? Mokaba, this is mokaba here, belt. Mokaba means belt. Mokaba na yo ezali ya langi nini? Question. What color is your belt? Eyano means answer. Mokaba na ngai ezali ya langi ya longondo. Mokaba na ngai ezali ya langi ya longondo. Answer. My belt is purple. My belt is purple. Light purple means langi ya pete ya longondo. Langi ya pete ya longondo. Next, langi ya mai ya pondu. Langi ya mai ya pondu. Langi ya mai ya pondu means green color. Ndakisa. Example. Nalingaka kolia madesu ya langi ya pondu mingi. Nalingaka kolia madesu ya langi ya pondu mingi. Example. I like to eat green beans very much. I like to eat green beans very much. Note that green color in Lingala is called Langi ya mai ya pondu because of the green juice that comes out of the cassava leaves when pounded. Light green in Lingala is called Langi ya pete ya mai ya pondu. Langi ya motane ngwa. Langi ya motane ngwa or langi ya Angola means red color. Red color. Langi ya motane alone means light red color. Light red color. Motuna question. Makila ezalaka langi nini? Makila ezalaka langi nini? We translate this in English by what color is the blood? What color is the blood? Eyano. Answer. Makila ezali langi ya motane ngwa or makila ezali langi ya Angola. Answer in English. Blood is red. Ndakisa. This is another example. Pesanga biki ya langi ya motane. Pesanga biki ya langi ya motane. In English, give me a red pen. Give me a red pen. Langi ya sokola. Langi ya sokola. Brown color. Ndakisa. Example. Nalati ekoti ya langi ya sokola. Nalati ekoti ya langi ya sokola. Ekoti means hat. In English, I'm wearing a brown hat. Light brown in English means rangi ya pete ya sokola. Rangi ya pete ya sokola. Rangi ya wolo. Rangi ya wolo means golden color. Ndakisa. Example. Olati kitoko. Nasepeli mingi na jaketi mpe na kechi na yo ya rangi ya wolo. Olati kitoko. Nasepeli mingi na jaketi mpe na kechi na yo ya rangi ya wolo. Olati kitoko. Nasepeli mingi na jaketi mpe na kechi na yo ya rangi ya wolo. In English, nice dressed. I like your golden jacket and sneakers. Note that golden color in Lingala is called rangi ya wolo because it's named after wolo, gold in English, the metal. Rangi ya palata. Rangi ya palata. Silver color. Ndakisa. Example. Kanya. Lutu na mbeli bizali rangi ya palata. Kanya. Lutu na mbeli bizali rangi ya palata. In English, the cutlery is silver. Note that silver color in Lingala is called rangi ya palata because it's named after palata, silver, the metal. Kanya, this is kanya, fork. Lutu, spoon. Spoon is lutu. Kanya, fork. And mbeli, knife. Mbeli. If you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you want to support the channel and the work that we're doing, you can do so by going to our YouTube channel portal and click where it says donate to support the channel. You can also follow us on this social media. This is for Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. If you click here, it's gonna take you to our channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please comment and share this video with your friends and your family. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any future video. If you have any question, please comment below or send us a message on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter by typing Lingala Academy. Lingala Academy. You can also follow us on Snapchat by typing DELOVEGRATIAS. DELOVEGRATIAS. Thank you and see you next time.